Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. The device is built around the ESP32S3 Sense module and features a custom Star Trek-style graphical interface on an SD7735 TFT display using the TFT-SB library, including animated scanning, visuals, and system screens. In addition to visuals, it integrates environmental sensing, camera functionality, audio output, and touch interaction, making it a complete embedded system project combining electronics, firmware, and mechanical design. For details of the project, please refer to OSHWLab.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.